Hola, Benito. Me llamo Emil Albertsen y tengo 21 años. Yo trabajo como trainee en Madrid en sobre 6 meses. Vivo en un apartamento en el centro de Madrid y soy empleado en la empresa.
Hello,
Hi,
my name is Fatma and I'm going to interview.
my name is Katja.
I have ordered tables, so please sit down.
Oh, that sounds good.
So, tell me, what did you think about your trip to Spain as a trainee?
I think my trip was very exciting. I learned so much about the Spanish culture and the Spanish people.
That sounds like you got much out of the job as a trainee.
Yeah, I did.
Hey ladies, are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I would like to order a coffee latte, please.
I would also like a latte and a glass of water.
Yes.
Well, back to business. Which company was that transferred you to Spain?
It was Royal Trinity. They told me to pick a big city in Spain, so I chose Madrid.
I understand why you find Madrid interesting, but what was the exact reason for you to choose Madrid?
I have never been in Madrid, and it's Spain's main city, so I think it was the best choice.
Here are your drinks, ladies. A
Thank you.
latte. And also a latte. And a glass of water.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And now when you're done in Spain, then what do you want to do?
I want to go back to Denmark, and in Denmark I want to work for Royal Trinity, and I want to see my family and friends.
But wasn't it rough to leave Denmark and all of your family and friends?
It was very hard in the beginning. It's still hard, so I just want to go home and see them.
I understand. But thank you for giving us the time to hear about your stay in Madrid.
You're welcome. Call me if you want to hear anything about a trainee's life.
It will be 5.50.
Here's 10 and keep the change. I'm in a good mood today.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you.